Leading on from the video linking energy and forces equations, I thought you might appreciate the same for electricity, especially if you're getting in a muddle over the volt being 1 joule per coulomb and the watt being 1 joule per second. This is for you. The definitions of what current, voltage and power are allow us to form equations, and they all link up. Current is all to do with how quickly charge flows. It's the rate of flow of charge. You might like to picture it as how many electrons are flowing past a point per second. Current is equal to the total charge divided by the total time. The charge flowing in a set amount of time. The current would be measured in amps for the total charge flowing in coulombs divided by the total time in seconds. Voltage or potential difference is all to do with energy. The potential difference is the energy per unit charge. It's how much energy the electrons transfer, if you like. Voltage can be calculated when the total amount of energy is divided by the total charge. So the volt is 1 joule per coulomb. For a fixed resistance, voltage and current are proportional. If you increase the voltage, you're transferring more energy per electron, and so the electrons can move faster. Current and voltage are linked. If we use the definitions, current is charge divided by time, and voltage is energy divided by charge, and we rearrange those equations so that charge is the subject, then charge must be current times time, and charge must also be energy divided by voltage. So current times time must be equal to energy divided by voltage. Rearranging the equation for energy, we can then see you can calculate electrical energy by multiplying together the voltage, the current and the time. They're all connected. Now power was our last link in the last video, and it's my last link in this one too. Power is the rate of transferring energy. It's all to do with how quickly the energy is transferred. In this case, how quickly the electrical energy is transferred. We measure power in watts. 1 watt is equivalent to 1 joule per second because power can be calculated with energy transferred divided by time. But that's not the only equation you've ever seen for electrical power. There's also power is equal to current times voltage. Let's see how they link. Current is charge divided by time. Voltage is energy divided by charge. So if we rearrange these equations, time is charge divided by current, and energy is voltage times charge. So if we think about power being energy transferred divided by time, we could rewrite that equation as voltage times charge divided by charge divided by current, which mathematically is exactly the same as saying power is equal to voltage times current. Now remember, we said energy transferred was voltage times current times time. Well, if power is current times voltage, we can replace the I and V in that equation with a P. Energy is power times time. And when you rearrange that, power is energy transferred divided by time. Simply beautiful. I hope you find it useful. Keep up the revision because it's never too late to do a little bit more. Remember that.
Regular review gets a better grade for you.
Don't forget to
Like,
so that I can keep making the videos.
comment,
Especially to request other revision topics.
subscribe.
So you can get notifications of when my next video gets uploaded.